Yesterday, I mentioned reports regarding the December Patch Tuesday security update, KB5072033, which appeared to enable a resource-hungry axe deployment service at Windows 11 startup. This behavior was reportedly causing high CPU usage for some users. I will leave a link to that video in the description and on the end screen if you would like more information. However, this may not be the only issue caused by this update. According to reports circulating on Reddit, shared by a user named NIFN, another core Windows 11 service may also be affected. The service in question is delivery optimization, and it appears to consume unusually large amounts of RAM after installing KB5072033. Delivery optimization is a background service that runs silently on your system. If you are unsure where to find it, simply search for services using the taskbar search. In the services list, you will see delivery optimization, also known as DoSvc or EOSvc. Its purpose is to improve Windows Update and Microsoft Store download speeds by allowing your device to download update files from other users on a local network or over the internet. You can also find the related setting by going to Settings, then Windows Update, and opening Advanced Options. Microsoft states that delivery optimization helps download updates and Microsoft Store content more quickly and reliably. This option is enabled by default. Personally, I always turn delivery optimization off. In my experience, although this may result in slightly higher bandwidth usage, I encounter far fewer update-related problems. I have mentioned this approach in previous videos on the channel. Returning to the Reddit report, the user monitored system performance over time and observed that the delivery optimization service steadily increased its memory usage. Compared to other background services, it continued consuming significantly more RAM. This behavior could indicate a memory leak, which is a known performance issue. This would explain why some users are experiencing higher than expected memory usage, even when no demanding applications are running in the background. If you have noticed performance issues since installing KB5072033, especially on a low-end or budget device with limited RAM, this could be the cause. At this time, there is no official fix or response from Microsoft regarding either this memory issue or the previously reported high CPU usage problem. If the drawbacks outweigh the benefits for you, one option is to uninstall the update. You can do this by navigating to Uninstall Updates in Windows 11, locating KB5072033, and following the on-screen prompts. Be sure to pause Windows Update afterward, as this is a mandatory update and will attempt to reinstall automatically. Another workaround, which I personally use, is to keep delivery optimization disabled. This may help prevent the memory spikes and gradual RAM consumption reported by users and shown in performance graphs. For now, the best course of action is to disable this feature and wait for Microsoft to acknowledge the issue and release a proper fix. I will continue monitoring the situation, and if any new information becomes available, I will keep you updated. That's all for this update. If you found this information helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Windows and tech-related news. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.